Meaning of geomancy.
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 Geomancy. Geomancy is a divination practice that originated in ancient China and spread throughout the world. It involves interpreting patterns made by tossing earth, sand, or pebbles on a flat surface. The patterns reveal information about the past, present, and future, including events, relationships, health, and finances. This practice is also known as earth divination and is based on the belief that the earth possesses energy fields that can be harnessed to provide insight and guidance. Practitioners of geomancy use various systems and methods to interpret the patterns and provide advice to their clients.